Hey, everyone! Today we're diving into the absolutely ludicrous ways Hollywood portrays stock trading. Picture this: high-speed trading, millions at stake, and of course, the obligatory office party with more glitter than a New Year's Eve bash at Times Square. Ever noticed in movies when brokers are basically rock stars with lavish lifestyles screaming into phones, "Buy, sell, buy"? Yeah, because that's exactly how it goes down in real life, right? Not exactly. Let's get real for a second. Legitimate investment companies? They're like the unsung heroes of finance. First off, they're regulated tighter than a drum. There's no room for error, or for office parties with exotic dancers, as much as Hollywood would have you think otherwise. Imagine walking into a real trading floor. Instead of flying money and chaos, you find focused account managers deeply engrossed in their screens, ensuring their clients are making profits, not losses. It's more about silent nods and intense gazes at the Bloomberg terminals, not wild gesticulations and tossed papers. Of course, according to Hollywood, everything is about big explosions and car chases. In reality, every person is simply trying to find himself in the world. And you need money to do that. And a few minor explosions. Haha, just kidding. So next time you watch a movie with a trading scene that looks more like a Vegas casino than a place of business, just remember, the real world of trading is all about strategy, regulations, and yes, some paperwork. No strippers, no champagne showers, just hardworking professionals trying to get the best for their clients. It's funny how movies get it so wrong, but hey, that's show business for you. Stick with the real investment pros if you want the true story, not the Hollywood version. Trust us, your wallet will thank you. All right, that's it for today's reality check. Thanks for tuning in, and remember, keep it real and keep it regulated.